Hello children, welcome to today's English class. Today we will try to understand how to do worksheet 6 of chapter 1 articles of class 7. So first of all we will read this question. So let's read it. Read the sentences given below. Put a tick against the ones in which the article has been used correctly and a cross against the ones in which it has not been. One example has been done for you. So let's read the first question. Here two sentences are given. First is Rohan loves the food. Second is Rohan loves the food his granny cooks. Now if we will see usage of the article, we can understand that usage of the article is right over here in this sentence, whereas it is not right over here. So why is it right in the second sentence? We will try to understand. Rohan loves the food his granny cooks. Here you will see that a particular food is referred over here in the sentence. That's why the article is used before it. Food which is cooked by Rohan's granny. So obviously this sentence is talking about a particular food. That's why the article is used over here. Whereas in the first sentence, this sentence is not referring to particular food. So here usage of article the is not correct. So we will put cross here in the box and we will put tick here in the box in front of the next sentence. Now we will move on to the second question. The children were playing in center of the park. And the next sentence is the children were playing in the center of the park. Now here we will see that in the second sentence the article is used before center, whereas in the first sentence the article is not used before center. Now here the usage of the article is correct because here the center is referring to the particular position of the park. So when a sentence is referring to particular position of the park, then we will put the before center. But here the is not used, that's why this sentence is not correct. So we will put cross here in the box, and in front of this sentence we will put tick in the box. Fine. Let's move on to the third question. Megha will be going to United Kingdom to visit her aunt. And next is Megha will be going to the United Kingdom to visit her aunt. So here you will notice that the is used before United Kingdom and here the is not used before United Kingdom. Now children, I discussed with you a rule that we have to use the article before name of countries having United States. So this rule is applicable over here. That's why usage of the article before United Kingdom is right. Whereas here article the is not used. So this is not correct. So we will put cross over here in the box. And in front of this sentence we will put tick here in the box. So children, you are going to solve this worksheet in this way. Now we will move on to the next worksheet. This is worksheet number 7. Complete the following letter by writing correct articles a and the in the blanks. So this letter is to be completed by using correct articles. Dear Saloni, hi, I have just come back from dash exciting vacation in Belgaum. Now here which article is to be used? Let's see. Exciting, E vowel letter, a sound, exciting is a vowel sound, so we will use an article over here. Hi, I have just come back from an exciting vacation in Belgaum. Now next sentence, dash city has changed dash lot in dash recent years. Now since we have this sentence has already referred to Belgaum, and in the next sentence something is said about same city, so we will use the before word city. The city has changed a lot in the recent years. Fine. So in this way you are going to solve this worksheet number 7 and complete the letter. Now we will move on to the next worksheet. This is worksheet number 8. Fine. Let's read the question. Arrange the sentences given below in proper order and write the story in the space provided. Make changes in the language wherever necessary. So you will go through these sentences, arrange them in the proper order, and you are going to write the complete story here below. Here the space is provided. Here you are going to write the story. So I will just give you the beginning sentence so that it will help you to create this story. Beginning sentence will be tiger or cat loves chasing mice. Now after this you have to arrange these sentences in order, create the story, and obviously you can make changes in the language wherever it is required. Fine. So try to do worksheet 8. This is a very interesting activity. Now let's come to worksheet 9. Read these sentences taken from the unit People at Work in My English Reader. So let's read. Papa, a sweet for me, the little one would ask. Second sentence. You will only have a kick, would come the angry voice of the father. Third. How you shout at a little child, what does he know? His wife would protest. Now children, let's move down and let's see what it is written. It says, children, do you notice the use of inverted commas in the above sentences? Now just look at these sentences, and did you notice the usage of inverted commas? Now why do we use inverted commas? Let's read here in the remember box. Inverted commas are used to enclose the words spoken by someone. So the words within the inverted commas over here are the actual words of the speaker. Fine. They are the dialogues. And when we have to write dialogue or the actual words of the speaker in a sentence, we put them within the inverted commas. Now worksheet 9 is based on this only. Rewrite the following sentences using commas, full stops, question marks and inverted commas wherever necessary. So what we will do, first of all, we will go back to the examples and try to understand how inverted commas are used in the sentences. Let's see. Inverted comma begin, Papa, exclamatory mark, a sweet for me, comma, inverted comma, close, the little one would ask, full stop. Next sentence, inverted comma begin, you will only have a kick, comma, inverted comma, close, would come the angry voice of the father, full stop. Third sentence, inverted comma begin, how you shout at a little child, exclamatory mark. What does he know? Question mark. Now inverted comma close, his wife would protest, full stop. So in this way you have to do the worksheet number 9 by using commas, full stops, question marks and inverted commas. Okay. First one, let's see. You should go to bed now, the matron said. So inverted comma begin, you should go to bed now, comma, inverted comma close, the matron said, full stop. Next sentence, inverted comma begin, there lives a beautiful white cat in this house, comma, inverted comma close, whispered and full stop. So in this way you are going to use commas, full stops, question marks or inverted commas wherever it is required. So try to complete this worksheet also, and then we will move on to worksheet number 10. Here a poem is given. Read the poem given below and put in the missing inverted commas. So you will read the poem carefully, then see where the inverted commas are missing, that you will put it over here. So children, I hope you have understood how to do these worksheets. So please try to do it carefully. Thank you.